The Doosan engine is a new line of engines that the Doosan company who owns Bobcat came out with, and they put them first in their mid-frame units. Tom, you want to read this? I don't have my glasses on.
I sure do, because this is a biggie, guys. Listen to this. If the coolant temperature is too low, the loader's cold weather protection feature will temporarily limit engine speed to prevent premature component wear.
Well,
wow.
Fortunately,
what are you
Tom,
trying to tell us here?
Fortunately, I'm dressed pretty good. I know it's kind of cold out here. You know, it's got to be all about 70 or 5 or 80 degrees. I know it was earlier here.
I don't know what it is back home, but I know it's a far reach from this.
Yeah. So, maximum engine speed. Now, when you run these in the morning, you'll find out these units, the Doosan, of course, they only have a DOC. They don't have a DPF. They have to burn all the fuel. No carbon, any soot can get out of that combustion chamber. Well, when you start them up cold, they limit you from throttling up. It only runs at idle, and it'll beep at you 3 times. Beep, 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 until it starts beeping at you 2 times. Then you can throttle up.
Uh-huh.
Now,
Well,
even out
this is
here, 80-degree weather, that's about 30 seconds. I got to wait for this thing to warm up for 30 seconds before I can really do anything with it.
Wait till you see this. Take this home, folks.
Okay,
This is
so
a
on a
killer.
count of the 3, we got a 318 out here, and next to it, an S570 Bobcat, the Doosan engine in it. We're going to say 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. They started them up, got their lights on, and the Deere's off and running.
Now, this is serious, folks. You know, we talk about duck hunting, but if a duck tried to walk away, he beat that Bobcat. That's it. That's as fast as it's going to go when it's cold.
It's going to limit its speed to idle RPM until the combustion chamber gets hot enough, and then it'll return to normal speed.
Boy, our dairy farmer's going to love this.
Okay,
Huh?
Aaron got it going here. Here's now the Bobcat's up and going. Now this is like 75 degrees out here right now, folks. Imagine now, some of you probably have a little colder temperatures back home. What if it was 30 degrees? What if it was 0 out? Heck,
Well,
I live in Tennessee. You know, 15 is cold.
Well, Larry, it was cold here 2 weeks ago. We did the same test, 64 degrees. It took 1 minute before that tractor was ready to go to work. Otherwise, you're just creeping along. 1 minute.
How about if it was 20 below? How long is you sitting out there in a construction site or in a barn waiting for this machine to go? The John Deere's already got its work done, got its 5 cycles. It's heading off to the next task. Now, I'm going to tell you what. Any of your customers that are checking out a Doosan, and they figure out, I got to wait so long for this thing, it only runs at idle speed until it warms up, this is going to be an opportunity for you. That would be what I call a big decoy.